Hey everybody, plug in. Today we're going to be building a 3D rocket model. And to do this, first off, I need a pyramid, which we have built from last week. And wait a minute. Okay, right now I'm really nervous. I put as much weight as I can on the top to hopefully pressure and keep them balanced. But now I'm going to go through, you can always kind of see it start removing the base. And I'm really hoping it stays up. And if not, I'm going to start trying. I'm really panicking. I don't want to touch this. I feel like it's going to fall over at any moment. I really hope it doesn't. But I'm trying to do this to stall for time, and I realize I'm only stalling myself. So I'm gonna finish it. Cool. That looks like a rocket, right? That's a rocket? You guys all up there? Okay. I got this. Okay. My hands are shaking, but I know it's a couple things that is really worrying me. Right now, you see like this corner piece is being held up. In the back, that's not happening. So at this point, it's front heavy a little bit. I'm hoping it's not a lot. We'll see with that corner piece, maybe just the different shapes, like a little parity in the Rubik cubes that causes it to be a little bit top heavy. But if it's not, then there's a really high chance that it's gonna fall over. As I'm gonna remove the source, I'm gonna try to keep that corner piece there as long as I can, but I have to take out that whole ring. So hopefully this works. Forcing myself to play a game of Jenga, whatever. If I lose, everything's gone. So I have to realize now how dumb that idea is. Okay, so I have a couple options here. I'm gonna do two different versions because I'm not liking the height here. I'm gonna try to keep this one in place, and I have to move that around. But if I keep the other supports, I should be able to do it without too much problem. I hope. And then I'm gonna try to do the same on the other side to make it look kind of like a little edge thing that maybe won't clap, because that has to sit like this much has to sit on those three again. And I'm realizing now that's a horrible idea. And I'm also realizing now that wait, that might work. So I have to rely on the fact that this much pressure can hold this cube in place as there's only like one in there. So I'm gonna probably... I don't like this. Okay, so update. Everything's going well. It's not gonna collapse yet. But, yet is the key word there, because these right here, like the corner pieces have no, that's kind of a little bit, that one's weird. This side is like top heavy, but like you see, they have like no support. So when I take away these, they're going down. There's no doubt about that. So I'm probably gonna remove these. I don't know about these yet, these don't have support either. But, if I keep the original like little arrow out design that I had planned, then hopefully those should be intact enough, have enough weight that there shouldn't be a problem with those. And I can save this from like collapsing on me. Okay, I want to do something I did not want to have to do. I'm gonna where the two things like middle meet, like right here. I'm gonna put a piece of tape, because the weight's on either one or the other for some reason. And so to get like an even distribution, I'm trying to connect them together. So hopefully it will have like a little connection, like the weight won't be a problem. As well as there's good news, I might be able to take those out if that works. If it doesn't work, it's gonna go pfft. But if it does work, bam, it'll look cool. Okay, last time. The reason why I said I'm gonna get rid of, let me slow down. Okay, the last time I said I'm gonna get rid of like this right here because I feel like I can, visual design, but also because I want to get rid of these. So I'm hoping I can take them out. If I can take them all out at once, be like, bam, they're gone. Hopefully. I'm now realizing, oh, wait, hold on, I think a lot of weight should be on this one then. Okay, that should be fine. Maybe. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. I'm taking a picture now, but if anything, this is just gonna be the thumbnail and everything. You see it. Not sure if you see that. Whatever. So, wish me luck. Okay. Final stretch. I have to remove those three Rubik's Cubes, and it's done. Fully modeled. Gonna collapse after that, but I don't have to worry about that now. I'm talking fast again because I'm really nervous. Battery's running low on the camera. Let's do this. Really covered in sweat. Comes out easy. Okay. I don't even think taking like a grade-saving test would be this stressful. And school's starting and I hate that. Now what? I'm not giving too much of a play. Okay. Beautiful. Stay beautiful. Last one. I'm done after. I will rip it out and just the camera take a picture of it. Hopefully the camera's recording it. I'm not gonna cry. Okay. Make sure the camera doesn't die out. Okay. Last one. Give it out easy. Yes! Woo! A little bit of tape. Well, give them all. It is done. Holy. Oh. Okay, I cannot move. The ground is like, if I so much as take a step, it will collapse. But it looks really cool. Let's see if we can get like a little lower. Camera about to die, but I'm gonna take it off. I'm not rotating that. For the life of any sustainable person, but I will give you a full view. Sorry about the light, it's not going to follow with us because that's on a wire. But you see, on all sides, There is the body, a light window, a little bit of tape. Kind of see the tape from over there. See a little bit of tape. Sorry about that. If I could get rid of it, I would, but I don't want to. And you have a little bit of exhaust down here. Let me get a full view back here. Oh crap, there's the camera tank. Ugh. Get back. Look at that. Okay, hold on. It's all or nothing. You gotta go big. You gotta go home. This might come back to bite me. I really hope it doesn't. I believe in the power. I believe in the structure. And to end it all, light roof on top. There you go. Look at that view. A little bit of exhaust coming out. Red landing. Oh, done. Bye.